Hi, I'm going to walk you through the upload payment file on the REPAY payment portal. So the upload payment file utility is navigated to by using the navigation menu on the left-hand side, and it's going to be permissions based. So if your user has the ability to upload a payment file, it will be under payments and then the upload payment file. Here you're going to see a couple resources that will help you upload the file of your choosing. Right here, you'll see a download file format, a download file specs. Both of those will be critical in helping you build the file in which you can upload. So to upload the file, you simply will click Choose File, browse to it on your desktop. We're going to select this Upload Demo File 1, and then you're going to click Upload File. Now it'll show if it successfully uploads to the system, but to see if there's any errors, you're going to go to File, Upload Jobs, and look here. And so right here, you can tell that it's at 0%. So we're going to refresh and see that it is complete. So our file of uploaded demo file 1 has been uploaded successfully to the system. So to see that, we're going to go to payment groups, and there it is. Our uploaded demo file 1 has successfully uploaded to our site. Now, the instructions in the format and the specs that are critical in helping you build that will be located here. So if you click on download file format, it'll actually download it automatically for you into your desktop. And what this is a template in which you can use to build out your report or the file that you're going to need to upload. So it has the correct file name, the correct header names, and then there might be fields that you won't utilize, but this will just be a good format for you to use, almost like a template. But now the file specs is where a lot of the information is going to be contained to help you upload that file. So if you click and open this information here will be critical in helping you create that file. So you can see here the list of the fields that our system can input, and then whether or not they're required. So if there's a Y, it is a required field. So vendor number, vendor name, obviously, address, city, state, and zip, and amount are the only required fields. Now, those might be the only required fields, but there are highly recommended fields that aren't required, such as vendor phone number, total amount, and account number. So these fields, while they're not required for our system to import the data, they're very recommended because of our team's enrollment process. We're going to need to know a phone number and then also an account number to where to apply payment if it's applicable. So as you're building the file, be aware of these recommended or required fields, but also the recommended fields as well. The other thing that's very important, the field names will need to be exact. So you can see here, as long as the header files match the field names below exactly. So if a file's not needed, you can simply not include it, or you can leave the information in it blank. But if you're going to include a vendor number, it needs to be titled as such, and the vendor name 1 also needs to be titled as such. They don't need to be in the exact order, but the naming does need to be the exact. So once you build out the file with the proper fields and the proper data, you save it and then upload it to our system using this feature that I showed you. The other key piece of information will be the error files. So as you upload a file to our system and it reads complete, you're okay. But if it does error out, you're going to see this error file. So this response file is going to give you some important information for you to see of why that field errored out. So if you click on one of these, it'll download the response file. In the response file, if you scroll all the way to the right, you're going to see why it failed out. So right here, the net amount is required and wasn't properly filled out. You can look at a couple other options and see why these test files errored out of, vendor address, the total amount must be greater than 0. Whatever the error is, it's going to show on the far right-hand side of that response file and allow you to correct it and then re-upload it so that you have a successful file upload. And that is a walkthrough of the upload payment file utility in the REPAY system.